In this video, let's talk about how to publish your GroovePages site on your own domain. When you finish your GroovePages site, you also have the option to publish it onto your own domain name. To publish your page, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the button labeled Publish. When you click on it, you will be presented with multiple options to publish your page. To publish your site onto your own domain name, select Publish on your domain and enter in your domain name. When you have done so, click on Publish. Important note, after you set up your GroovePages sites to publish on your domain, you will then need to set it up. This includes signing up for a Cloudflare account, creating a secure website encryption, and changing the name servers on both Cloudflare and your domain registration company. If you're unsure how to do this, be sure to watch the video tutorials on how to do this step by step.